need a microphone. We need one microphone for the children.
Aha m bụ Chidebemeze. Abụ m onye Igbo. Abụ m onye Eze na Oji River Local Government na Enugu Steeti n'ime Nigeria. Ebi m na Lagos Steeti.
Aha m bụ Miracle. Abụ m onye Akwa Ibom nke dị na Kotekpele Local Government n'ime Anambra.
Akwa Ibom State. You say aha m bụ Miracle. Kedafibu. Mesoma Joseph. Abụ onye Kotekpele na Akwa Ibom n'ime Nigeria.
Aha m bụ Miracle Mesoma Joseph. Abụ m onye Kotekpele nke dị n'ime Akwa Ibom na Anambra Steeti.
No. Abụ m onye Kotekpele na Akwa Ibom State. Say that.
Abụ m onye Kotekpele na Akwa Ibom Steeti.
N'ime Nigeria.
N'ime Nigeria.
Aha m bụ Samuel Chukwukaide. Abụ m onye Igbo. Abụ m onye Nofia na Njikọka Local Government n'ime Anambra Steeti n'ime Nigeria. Ebi m na Lagos.
Okay.
Aha m bụ Ihoma Eze. Abụ m onye Igbo. Abụ m onye Abugo Eze na Odi River Local Government dị na Enugu Steeti.
Na Enugu Steeti.
N'ime Enugu Steeti. N'ime Nigeria. Ebi m na Lagos. Aha m bụ Treasure Chidimma Chukwu. Abụ m onye Igbo. Abụ m onye Anambra Steeti.
Aha m bụ Blossom Nwosu Amarachi. Abụ m onye Igbo. Abụ m onye Abia.
So you don't know where an address. So those of you who don't know, you see, they call on one aka. So those of you who say where you come from, Now, you don't just say where you come from and then you just end. We also have to remember that you have your mom, right? And mommy comes from somewhere, isn't it? So do you know where mommy comes from? So where your mommy comes from is called Ikunne. Ikunne. Mr. Deola, kindly call me Sewa for me. Miss Sewa Bikobia, you'll be spelling for us on the board. Ikunne, IKWU. So we want to talk about where mom is from, where mommy comes from. Ikunne bo. The Ikunne bo na board ka hafe. So we're on self-introduction. Ikunne bo. Ikunne bo. Dash 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 na dash 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 state. So where is the mommy from? Where? Where? Umuahi. Where is Umuahi? So Ikunne bo, you can say Umuahi Mbieri or you say Mbieri. Ikunne bo Mbieri. Na Mbitoli local government, na Imo State. If you want to put local government, we can say Ikunne bo Mbieri, na Imo State, Nime, Nigeria. We'll write it down. Yes, if you want any spelling, let me know. You should speak out. Otolefa. I don't understand that. Is the same with that place? Is that this place the same as mommy's place? Let me see if I can get your mom. Zurum, do you know where mom comes from?
What are the first and second dashes?
Good. All right. Ikunne bo Aba na Imo State, Nime, Nigeria. Zurum, write it down. Is a 2B. So, do you know where mommy comes from?
But I don't know what those two dashes are.
Eh?
I don't know what dashes.
Do you know where your mommy comes from? Yes or no? It's simple now. So, unfortunately, your mommy is not picking. Okay, I'm listening. Do you know where your mom is from?
I said I just need time.
Time to remember.
Is it from Onisha?
Oh yes, yes. But I think it's more specific. I'm not sure.
So Ikunne. Mommy. Kebunusi. Kebunusi. Nwa gị nwaanyị si na ọ maghị Ebunusi mana ọ ma na onye Anambra.
Okay, Oboji.
Ogboji.
Yes, Oboji.
Okunu.
South.
Okay, so Ogboji na Orumba South. Okay.
South, yes.
Okay, mommy gị nwa ka ebe isi.
Mwa. Okay, that is obodo before I know Oboji.
Yes.
Ndi Owu. Orumba North.
So daddy bụ Orumba South. Gị nwa Orumba North, right?
Yes.
So it's not Ndi Oru.
Ndi Owu. Ndi Owu. Ndi.
Yes, said they go me. Ndi Owu. Orumba North.
Orumba North. Daddy bụ Oboji. Orumba South.
Good job, mommy. Jisike dalo.
Okay, dear. This is
Oh. Because I want AC on. So who else? Let me see if I can get your mommy. Is it it's not same. There's this place. Don't worry. I'll call. Hello, mommy. Kedu? Hello, Mrs. Neka. Can you hear us? So where are your children from? Kebe daddy. So daddy bonye Nnewi na Anambra State. Nwa gi wesi anya Abia State. Okay. Ikenna. Ewo, I'm calling the wrong person. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay. Why we are calling, so one is from Onitsha, right? So it's okay if you say Onitsha. So you write Ikwu Nembu Onitsha na Anambra State, Nime, Nigeria. So Kebe bu Ikwu Negi. So Ikwu Nembu Arondi Izuogo na Imo State, Nime, Nigeria. Write it down. Sammy, you write Ikwu Nembu Mbieri na Imo State. The one is Ikwu Nembu Onitsha. Spell Onitsha for my baby. Na Anambra State. So did you see where mommy said she's from? So that is from Oboji. Where did I write it? So you say Abumonye Oboji. Okay? Na Anambra State. Leave this Orumba South. Just have this one in mind. So write Abumonye Oboji na Anambra State, Nime, Nigeria. Ikwu Nembu Ndi Owu na Anambra State. Leave this Orumba now. Have you written it? Write Ikwu Nembu. What? The mommy is not picking. Let's try daddy. What do you want us to spell for you? Iwama, what do you want? Where am I heard? So I always want you to say where you come from, in case if you find yourself outside the country, you can always remember that where you from is inside Nigeria, is in Nigeria. Okay? Mr. Adela, please can I have my power bank? Biko. Daddy Bochoma sir, Daddy Bonye Ebe. I never self-introduction. Ibonye Ebe. Arochukwu na Abia State. Ngwa write it down. Ikenna Arochukwu Abia State. Mommy Bonye Ebe. Mommy Bonye Arochukwu. Ebe a ka si before you know ya. Ka ebe o si before you know ya, ọ ya ka ị na-akụzi ụmụaka kwa. Daddy, K State, mommy see.
She's from Abia State.
Okay, K side on Abia. Okay. Hello, sir. They are fine, no. So, Arochukwu, abụ m onye Arochukwu na Abia State n'ime Nigeria. Hello, Daddy. Anyị na-ajụ ese ha, nsị ka m gwa gị na ha dị mma. Anyị nọ ọfụma. Oh, daalụ sir. Okay, daalụ sir. Yes, sir, bye, sir. So, have you all written where your mommy comes from now? It's remaining yours, right? Arochukwu is where you come from. Abụ m onye Arochukwu na Abia State n'ime Nigeria. We are going to do a competition on self-introduction. Mommy isn't picking. I know. I'm just trying because of you. Okay, so let's proceed now. Are we making progress? So Ikwu name bụ, I don't know your own Ikwu name. Ikwu name bụ means my maternal home is, write it down. Ikwu name bụ means my maternal home is, then you write Ngeri in Imo State, Nigeria. So the next one we are going to talk about now, Mommy is on the board there. Ikwu name is on the board. Can you see the IKWU?
Can you say it again?
What?
Can you say it, what's my maternal home?
I thought you wrote it down. Ikwu name bụ Mbieri. You want me to spell the Mbieri? MBIE. That's where I come from. I'm from Mbieri. You will not teach me to spell my place. So, ha. No come more. You could say MBIERI. Nwunye Mbieri. Okay. So after that, we're now going to move to your favorites. So your name, yes, your name, your tribe, where you come from, where your mommy comes from. Now let's talk about yourself. We start talking about our favorites. So Nri is food, and you want to say my favorite food is, you write Nri na masimbo. Nri. Miss Favor is writing it in the board. Nri na masimbo. Then you go. So the dash amasim na amasim dash a dash a. So we are going to talk about our favorites, and now it's going to be interactive. No more only Nwunye Mazi talking. So Nri na masimbo means my favorite food is. Na masim means favorite. So Nri na masim. Amasi is one word. SI is one word. AMASI is one word. Make an AS cancel. Nri na masimbo. So write down your favorite food now. Ifeoma, what's your favorite Igbo food? Don't tell me your favorite food pizza. Don't tell me favorite food pizza. I don't want that thing now. Favorite food spaghetti, indomie. Don't try me. Put an Igbo food there. Your favorite Igbo food. Let's go. Tigan. Right. Nwunye Mazi, you must write.
Can you spell this? That's meal that the village chef made.
Ofe akwu na osikapa. That's banga akwu sauce and rice. Ofe akwu na osikapa. If you want me to spell anything, let me know. Which one? Okay, so what is your own favorite food? Read it, let me hear you. Good. If you want to say and, you can say na. Na. You want to say abacha and fish, you say abacha na azu. If it's just abacha, you say abacha. Okay? When you're done right, you say the chalam. Good. So after favorite food, what's the next favorite we have? Favorite color. So we have so color is called agua. Color. No. Color is called agua. Okay. Hey. So we have white. We have ocha, and ocha is white. We have oji. Oji is black. We have unye. Unye is red. Some people call it obaroba. Some people call it pepper. But unye, no, I don't want to know it. Okay, make sure I write it. We are taking this down now. We have blue. Blue is anono. We have green. Green is akwụkwọ. What is green called? Akwụkwọ. What other color do we have?
Yellow.
Yellow is edo. What other color do we have? Red is here now. Oh, okay. See now, I just said writing. Please make sure you write it to one side and English. I'm sorry about this error. Orange. Orange is uhie edo. This is orange. So why they call it uhie edo? When you mix red and yellow, you get orange. So that's why I have uhie edo. Uhie edo. Pink. Uhie ocha.
Is it obara red?
What do I talk about rice now?
I don't.
What other colors do we have? Purple is odo. Odo. Yes, see what? What is what? Bo, B-U. What did you call orange? No, chara is brown. means rust. When something is rusty, what color do you see? Eh?
I say, some parts I see orange, some parts I see brown.
It's mostly brown.
Some parts I'll see orange, some parts I'll see brown.
When something is rusty, what do you see?
Orange.
Brown.
Orange.
Only
Yes, I see orange.
no orange, only brown.
I see orange.
This is orange. When something is rusty, what do you see? This is orange.
Yeah, I used to see orange.
When something is rusty, you see orange.
In my house, I used to see rusty, it's actually orange. In my house,
Wait now, wait. You know they have weights now.
I don't see, it's very easy to see.
When so
Yes, that color. Wait, it's not that light orange.
look at it. That's
Yes,
what.
like that.
Look at it now.
Yes, like that. It's like that.
This is orange. Orange is Uye Edo. I think that is even what describes orange more because it's a combination of the two colors. So if we call it Uye Edo, it even makes sense. It means when you put red and yellow, it gives you orange. When you put red and white, it gives you pink. It's contemporary and I think it's accurate for me.
It's like done for all the colors.
Okay.
Like I like.
So brown is Njara. The person who said Aja means we don't even use Aja for colors. You use Aja when something is when you eat something and then you fight it. Aja. It means it's sandy. Aja means sandy. Okay, so speaking from Nwunye Mazi, that orange is Uye, it is contemporary and I think it makes more sense. It's so which other one? Which other color? Gray. Gray. Ntuntu is ash. Gray is awo. That is why when someone has a gray hair, they will tell you ishiawo. So gray is awo. I'm not cleaning all. Everybody say gray awo.
Gray owl.
Then ash color is ntuntu. Say ntuntu.
Black.
I've written black now. Then gold is oledo. Then silver is olaocha. Do you see that now? We've just taken a very quick lesson on colors. Are you enjoying your Igbo class? Yes, you are. We are very privileged to have Nwunye Mazi standing with you one-on-one. Well, let's go through the colors. Any other color? Gold. I wrote it there. Gold and silver. Any other one? I think we are good. That's gold. Ne gold. Gold, all ledu. Silver, all laocha. Ngwa, kaibido. Everybody look into your notes and read your notes. 1 to go. Color, agua. Bido from there. Let's call the Igbo word before the English word. 1 to go. I don't like the way you're saying it. Oji. Uhie, red. Can you say that? Ikenna, write uhie. Ikenna is saying obara obara is nice, it's good, but then you know obara is blood, you know. So let's just use you here. And when you read the Bible, if you want to talk about the Red Sea, what the Bible calls it is Osimiri, Uhie. Those who translated the Bible to the Igbo language used Uhie for it. Okay? And we have the red sand. So sometimes you hear them say Aja Uhie if you go home. So I think natively, historically kind of, Uhie is for red. So let's start all over. We are calling the Igbo words first before the English words. Are we ready? We're starting with agua, color. Well, let's go. If you don't say it out very well, I can't correct you. I want to hear you say the words so I can correct you when necessary. Ngwabido. After Uhie, Uhie, red. Anunu. No, say it confidently again. Ikenna, I said read your notes. Ngwa. Akwụkwọ ndụ, green. Ngwa. You're not saying it, you're writing Ihoma could see there in here. Look at the board. I'm not wiping the board again. So let us read and learn how to pronounce them. If you go home, mommy will say, Ngwa, call all the colors, and you can't pronounce it. We are here to learn how to speak Igbo. It's the most important. Right? So, akwụkwọ ndụ, green. Ngwa, keep going. Edo edo. Uhie edo. Orange. Uhie ọcha, pink. Odo odo, purple. Nchara nchara, brown. Okay. Awo. Awo. When you go to your house and you see gray hair on your mommy's hair, say, Nnem leishawo. Nnam leishawo. Means gray hair. Okay? Grandma has it. So, awo, gray. Ntuntu. You know when they burn the firewood, you see one color, it's not white, it's not black, kind of, it's not even gray, it's kind of lighter than gray. Right? That color is what? Ntuntu. That color, gini ka na boya. Ntuntu. So, the next one. Oledo. Everybody say Oledo. So the word for the color of gold is the word for gold. So gold is called Oledo. Okay? And that's the color, you know, that's the name of the color for gold. Oledo. And then silver is called Ola, Ocha. Korono nwunu aka. Nwa kwesịrị ịnọ ebe a kịta. Onye nkuzi ọrụ m ya biko. Ndo. Mba, ewe niwe. But they're not say so. They're not say so. Okay? For those that have finished, you say agwa na masim. Agwa. Agwa. Na masim. Bo. And then you put your favorite color. So having done Agwana Masim, Ikenna idechala. Kenna ide. So when you get home, you have to tell your mommy that you need glasses, Ikenna. I'll tell her too. Why didn't you bring it?
Simple. Oji na uhie.
Oji na uhie. If you want to say and is na. For anything we're writing, and is na. And. You want to say and whatever is na. Okay? Oji na gini?
Uhie.
Oji na uhie na masi precious. Chamaka. Okay. Ngwa. Idi machi.
Agwana Masim.
Speak confidently.
Agwana Masim bụ ododo na ọlaedo.
Say it again.
Agwana Masim bụ ododo na ọlaedo.
Yes, agwana masi ya bụ ododo na ọlaedo. Ngwa. Ihuoma. Speak out.
Agwana Masim uhie.
Bụ.
Uhie.
Good. Agwana masi bụ uhie. Ngwa.
Agwa na-amasị m bụ anụnụ anụnụ.
Anụnụ anụnụ.
Agwa na-amasị m bụ ọcha.
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 Say it again.
Ọcha.
Say the sentence again.
Agwa na-amasị m bụ ọcha.
Jisi ike. Onye Ikenna kwuo nke gị. Agwa na-amasị m. Put it to your mouth.
Agwa na-amasị m bụ uhie.
Agwa na-amasị m uhie edo.
Uhie edo, jisi ike.
Agwa na-amasị m bụ ure ọcha. Agwa na-amasị m bụ ntụ ntụ.
Ntụ ntụ.
Agwa na-amasị m bụ edo na uhie.
Edo edo.
Edo na uhie edo.
Good. Edo edo na uhie edo, jisi ike. Ngwa. Agwa na-amasị m bụ.
Agwa na-amasị m bụ awọ na ọla edo.
Good job. Awọ na ọla edo. Say it.
Awọ na ọla edo.
Now the next thing, what else do we go for? What else do we have favorites in? We have done favorite food, favorite color. No. Domestic, your favorite domestic animal. That's your favorite pet. If you are asked, what animal do you like? So you say, Anumanu na masembu. Anumanu. Please, I need Miss Favor here. Onye nkuzi, biko bịa. Na masembu, she's coming to write it. Anumanu na masembu. I will advise you pick a domestic animal that you can prefer as a pet. What's your own animal? Ficha nke ficha benu. Anumanu na masembu. Nyankuzi nyem. Favor can't choke. So quickly, we will now look at animals the way we've just looked at colors. So we have animals are either called anu or anuman. But in Igbo language, the right thing is anu. Do you get me? Anu. Okay? So, some will call anuman. Then it's anu. Then if you want to talk about domestic animals, you have anu ulo. Domestic animals. Anu ulo. Because this here, I can wear also. Because oh yeah, kogote. So we have nkita. Nkita is dog. Nwamba. Nwamba is cat. Ewu is goat. Inyinya is a horse. Ọkụkọ. Ọkụkọ is a chicken. Okay? What other animals do we have? I think I've called. So parrot is parrot. We call all of them birds. Let's call them birds. So bird is called nnụnụ. Nnụnụ. No noise though, no noise. Unemena mkpọtụ biko. So nnụnụ, bird. Ezi, pig. It didn't match. He gave us pig just now. Ezi, pig. Okay, okay, it's the baby. Then, okay, beke is rabbit. Umfichawa. What? Let's teach them this. Okay, beke. can call it ehi. You can call it ehi. What's another
Sure
one?
that I wrote my favorite animals.
Wow.
I told that I'm going to write.
Yes. Don't call me man. Call me Nwunye Mazi.
But my parents,
Come down, man. Yeah.
but my parents,
Ikina, what did you just do? I will tell you to go up and sit down. I told you in Igbo language or when anybody is trying to say anything, you don't do what? So they don't have what? They don't have complex. Yes. Because we are all learning. If you laugh, you go upstairs. I don't even write in your notes, but nobody is telling you anything bad about it. What, do you want to say something? Yeah, go ahead. Don't look at anybody or talking to me. You want to say something? Okay, can you write it down? You write it down.
Make sure you write all these ones on the board. There's no problem. Just write this one, then you use another person's book to cross-check where you have missed.
Yes, so in Imo State, can you hear me? So the baby is trying to say that his parents call cow Ehi, and that's why I wrote Ehi or Efi.
okay. So my parents are from Enugu and Anambra.
Yeah, it
They
doesn't
don't call
matter.
it Ife. I don't hear them.
Yes, it doesn't matter. If your parents are from Enugu and they call it Ehi, maybe that's what their own dialect calls it. Like I'm from Imo State, and Imo State will always call it Ehi, but mostly those in Anambra would say Efi, and those in Enugu. But if you're in Enugu and they call it Ehi as well, it's okay. That's why I wrote two. Ehi, Mwabogini, Efi. Okay?
Some things that
Precious has a question.
Okay. I was saying that I've noticed that Anambra and or Enugu people and Imo people usually do something that differs in how they speak is that F and H, like this Efi and Ehi now, like Ifoma and Ihoma. Why is it usually like that? No, I'm not talking about Ihoma. I said Ifoma and Ihioma because I have an aunt whose name is Ihioma and I have another aunt whose name is Ifoma, and they both mean the same thing.
So we have differences in our dialects. Okay? So that is why when you're learning Igbo, you're being taught the central one where whichever party or dialect you belong to, you're carried along. Okay, so we have one central Igbo, we come together to make that one the central, but then we have dialects, and we should respect the dialectic differences. You know, so from this place to this place, and they now mixed with the people that now rubbed off, these people's language rubbed off on these people's Igbo, and these people's dialect rubbed off on another dialect, and then you have the he and the fi differences. You would even see some people that have different tongue interferences, you know, dialectic, tongue interference, mother tongue interference, where you see people saying lies, actually lies, and you get what I mean? Libe all are hard. If your favorite animal is not here, let me know. Come on, no more dragon. If you want to bring, have you written it? Let me hear. Dere mazu, azu, fish. No. Battery ya dị ka ọrụ ugbo.
Azụ was back. You can explain.
So anụ na-amasị m bụ
nkịta. Aha anụ m bụ Shiba.
and the name of my animal, my dog is. So you say aha nkịta m bụ Shiba. Ngwade.
Anụ na-amasị m bụ nkịta.
Anụ na-amasị anụ na
na-amasị m bụ nnu. Anụ na-amasị m bụ nkịta. Anụ na-amasị m bụ nkịta.
Anụ na-amasị bụ nkịta.
So you have to say it again. Anụ na-amasị m bụ nkịta.
Anụ amasị m. Anụ na-amasị m bụ nnụnụ.
Anụ na-amasị m bụ atụrụ.
So the next one now, if you called you, okay? So the next one now, let us do, which one now we're going to do after, let's do favorite country. Obodo na amasim, now, or ebe na ama, okay, let's say ebe na amasim bo.
You can state that.
You can stay, Bokwebima. Bokweb, hey guys in Canada. Bokwebima. Ebe na amasim bo, your favorite place. Ebe na amasim bo. If you want the word, you let me know. If it is the beach, you say Amamiri.
How do you say US?
Wait, let us do place before country. Ebe namasim, so places you like to visit. Ebe. I taught you how to spell it. Now, then dash amasi. Nobody see na abroad na they put your because you can't see it very well. Okay. Ngba precious bido. Where? Ebo oriri. Ulo oriri. Ulo oriri. Restaurant is called Ulo. And then you put a dash and write oriri. Ulo oriri. Why the dining is called Ebe oriri. So Ulo oriri is the restaurant. Ebe na-amasị m bụ
Ebe na-amasị m bụ ụlọ oriri.
Ebe na-amasị m bụ sinima.
So cinema is ụlọ onyonyo. We have Ama Miri, Ama. It's inside my listing in our language of Ama Miri is beach.
I am Mamiri Napa.
Daniel. We have Ama Eburiegu. Ama Eburegu. Ama Eburegu is a what? Yeah, Ụlọ onyonyo is a cinema. Which other one? What other places do you like to go to? What other place do you like to go? Yes, a mall, Ahia Beke. Ahia Beke is a mall or Guinea. Church, ụlọ ụka. Ụlọ. Ụlọ ụka is the church. Ụlọ is the building. Ụka is the church. So a church can be actually in a building or not, but church in itself is ụka. So ụlọ ụka is the church building. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So what other place?
The playground.
Precious is a hotel. The hotel is a hotel. Playground is
A farm.
ama egwuregwu. Okay, yes, a farm. Ugbo. Like I enjoy going to the farm as well. Where else? Market is Ahia. The market is Ahia. That's fine.
I don't know why grandma's cooking always smells like this.
Grandma, I'm making a class. I'm in so good.
Mom, this light is actually affecting me.
Smells like meat.
Excuse me. Nwunye Mazi.
They can join our life. We are doing proper classes. No, they should subscribe to Igbo News.
All those ones that
I know class. They should subscribe to Igbo News. I know class. Let them just join in now. We are having a class now. But if it is to teach them only just okay, so even Amasimbo, write it down. Your own now, right?
I've
Uwa,
seen it.
let me hear.
She's in the mic.
Start again.
Ebe na-amasị m ụlọ oriri. Ebe na-amasị m bụ ụlọ oriri.
Ebe na-amasị m bụ ụlọ oyoyo.
Ebe na-amasị m bụ ụlọ oriri.
Ebe na-amasị m bụ Shoprite.
Ebe na-amasị m bụ ụlọ onyonyo.
Ebe na-amasị m bụ ụlọ oriri with Shoprite. Na Shoprite.
Ebe na-amasị m bụ Igbo Summer Camp. Ebe na-amasị m bụ Igbo Summer Camp hosted by Nwunye Mazi.
Ebe na-amasị m bụ Shoprite. Ebe na-amasị m bụ ụlọ oriri. Ebe na-amasị m bụ ama mmiri.
Beach. Awesome. Now let's go to your favorite country. Obodo na-amasị m bụ. I wish some people would write Nigeria. Why would you write? Is this not your country? Okay. Obodo na-amasị m bụ. Write your favorite country, even if you've not been there, but you've read about it, you want to be there. If you ask you, where would you like to go to right now, you just call that place. Write it. Obodo na-amasị m bụ. Zurum, come closer to the table. Own them. Ngwa shift biko. Bukute. So let's hear your favorite country.
Okay.
Obodo na-amasị m. Wait, she wants to write Obodo na-amasị m so you can see. There Obodo na-amasị m. The way.
That light can go. It can go. So if it goes up, all these other lights will go.
This little precious Bianca.
Me, I want to see.
You will not see the board. You can Obodo na-amasị m bụ. Look at it up and right.
Oh yeah, come and sit down here. You will explain to me.
We'll look at the board, so he didn't bring his glasses. Because everybody, you're going to do a video shoot and you're going to say this about yourself. You're going to say it too. I'm not even, I don't joke. We are going to do a shoot for you. You are going to say it. Ngwa, Kaibido. Obodo na-amasị m na your favorite country.
Obodo na-amasị m bụ USA.
Obodo na-amasị m bụ South Korea.
South Korea.
Obodo na-amasị m bụ Singapore na Nigeria.
Obodo na-amasị m bụ United Kingdom.
Obodo na-amasị m bụ Canada.
Obodo na-amasị m bụ Nigeria na USA.
Obodo na-amasị m bụ Nigeria maka ndị Igbo.
Obodo na-amasị bụ Nigeria. Obodo na-amasị m bụ America. Obodo na-amasị m bụ Nigeria na USA.
Obodo na-amasị m bụ Nigeria. You don't know Nigeria is actually a beautiful country. Yes, now. Nigeria is a beautiful country. Anytime, let me say this. If I leave out, if I go outside, I just want to come back home. Because home is home for me. Home is home. Home is hot. Home is stressful, really? Oh, Chisrum said home is reality. She doesn't want to come back to reality. I'm going to home worker. In South Korea, Singapore. Home is sweet. Oh, all right. So what other favorites do we talk about? You know you're going to write composition about yourself in Igbo language. That's what we're doing now. If you know the yes now, when they say write a composition about your favorite yourself, favorite subject, ihe mmụta na-amasị m. Come now. Ihe mmụta na-amasị m. Ihe mmụta dubem. Kwụsị. Ihe mmụta na-amasị m. Ihe mmụta, not M. Ihe mmụta na-amasị m bụ. So you're going to tell us your favorite area of subject, area of learning or subject. Anyị dị njikere. Nwaka ibido. Ihe mmụta na-amasị m bụ.
Ihe mmụta na-amasị m bụ subject. Math.
Ihe na-amasị m bụ art na Igbo.
Ihe mmụta na-amasị m bụ Igbo language na asụsụ Igbo na geography.
Ihe mmụta na-amasị bụ math. Ihe mmụta na-amasị m bụ asụsụ Igbo na asụsụ Bekee. Ihe mmụta na-amasị bụ asụsụ Igbo na cultural geography.
Miss Favor, you made cultural geography na school. You made cultural geography. But one no be there more for why me. Ihe mmụta na-amasị m bụ asụsụ Igbo na asụsụ Bekee. Kụpụrụ m aka kwanụ na Oh Lord, gịnị mere? Naanị 1 second asị gị mere anyị ihe na bọọdụ ọ dawala. Iribe nri taa. Ngwa. Okay. Ngwa. Next one bụ What's the next favorite thing now? No, don't say that. Yes. Mmanya na masimbo. My favorite drink. Me say for deranya. Yes. Even if you don't have it, it's water. There, that's animal. Yes, now clean those ones. Clean the one hedges there, You better ask me now. Let's be writing it down so that when you go to school, you will be shining bright like a diamond when they bring out Igbo language. And even if you don't do it in school, you don't know where you will meet it. You can meet it anywhere. Mmanya na masimbo. Spell mmanya for my babies. There was one I even remembered. I now forgot. Ihe onyonyo na masim. My favorite TV program. What do you like? If onyonyo could be TV, could be your phone program. Then your favorite celebrity.
Okay. Is celebrity replacing TV program or
No, TV program is different. Okay, let's do celebrity. Ihe muta. Manya. No, let's do manya now. Everybody should have a favorite drink. Don't you have a favorite drink? Manya na masimbo. We even do mkpụrụ osisi na orange juice is mmiri oroma or mmanya oroma. You can say mmanya oroma. I think it's better to call it mmanya oroma. Mmanya na masimbo mmanya oroma. Yeah, mmanya oroma, orange juice. Yes, mmanya na masimbo, mmanya. When you write mmanya na masimbo, you now put mmanya and then you call the name. Mmanya na masimbo, mmanya oroma, mmanya na masimbo, mmanya. Mommy writes mmanya and put dot for them. Mmanya dot. Yeah, it is. Grape wine. I believe what you want to say is grape wine. Mmanya. Have you written your favorite drink? Mommy, have you written it? Idela. Mmanya na masimbo. Mmanya. If it is a fruit juice, you just call the name of the fruit. Have you learned fruit with Oyinkozi? Mmanya. It's a what? Hold on, he called me first. Miri now. Masimbo Miri. Write it down. How many have we written now? How many favorites have we written? Remember, it's a self. His food is almost here. This is the seventh one. Tell me, what else do we have favorites about? Yes. So mkpụrụ osisi na masimbo. Mkpụrụ osisi means fruit. We have all said, okay, let's say the drink. Ikenna said, let's say the drink. Go ahead.
Maya na Simbu, Maya Schweppes na Chapman.
My namasimbo, my cook.
Maya na masimbu mmiri.
Maya na masimbu Hollandia yogurt.
Mmanya na-amasị m bụ mmiri.
Mmanya na-amasị m bụ mmanya osisi.
Mmanya osisi.
Palm wine.
Okay. No, palm wine bụkwa mmanya ngwọ or mmanya nkwụ.
Mmanya na-amasị m bụ mmiri.
Mmanya na-amasị m bụ Fanta na mmiri. Mmanya na-amasị m bụ mmanya oroma. Mmanya na-amasị m bụ Fanta na Sprite.
Mmanya na-amasị m bụ Chapman, mmiri na mmanya ngwọ. Kụpụrụ n'onwe n'aka. Palm wine, mmanya ngwọ. Okay. The next one, let's do the fruits now, right? Hey, baby, akwụkwọ gị dọwara dọwa. What will you do now? Yeah, okay, this will be the last. Should we make this the last? No, my own is just make sure that. Yes, baby. I'm sorry. Take it easy. Take it easy. Don't let it. Don't let it. Yeah, please. It won't. Okay, I'm saying anything you want about the name, like anything you like, let me know. So now we are going into fruits. Apple is achicha bekee. Okay, so let's take down that note. No. So apple is achicha bekee. Achicha bekee. Orange abụrụ oroma. Oroma nna abịa chimo. Oroma. Banana. Grape is mkpụrụ vine. Banana, unere. Mba kwezikwa. Our yeah. Unere is, so I will be spelling with my mouth till our marker is fine. What? Grape is mkpụrụ vine. MKPURU put a dash vine VINE. Coconut is aki oyibo or aki bekee. Oyibo is OYIBO. Aki oyibo. YIBO. Aki oyibo or aki bekee. So, which other fruit? Mango is ugiri bekee. The ugiri is the one you find ogbono inside. Ugiri. Yeah. So, just the same way we have. No, that's not that one. That one you're talking about our apple. So, let me teach. Our achicha has a, oh Lord. Our achicha has, man, it has a brown back. So our achicha has a brown back that has spikes, soft spikes. If you open it, it has get bad easily. Do you get me? Like our cherry, our Igbo cherry, udara, so nice, very, very healthy, without preservatives. But then we have to start learning. We have to find a way to even preserve this udara and exporting it very well. I export udara, right? But then sometimes by the time it gets there, if there's a delay on the way, okay, it gets bad. And again, you see some of these people that people are so much in the diaspora and they want to have a taste of these fruits. So these other countries don't even know, they don't know the value of our fruits. They bring their own to us. We buy their apple, we buy their grape, they always want us to buy theirs. But our people too want to have their fruits over there. So how about allowing us to comfortably export our garden egg, our own achicha, our udara, our shower shop, our mmimi, you know pepper fruit? Pepper fruit, you know it? Mmimi. Pepper fruit, some are green, some are red, and it goes like it's like granite. It has the shape of granite. You see? Good, like turmeric. That's it. That's the right word. Like turmeric. And then, but we want to have we want our government to have agreements with these governments in US, in UK, everywhere, so that Nigerians can start cultivating our own fruits and start doing what? Exporting it. So our people there will do what? We have our people over there. Okay? So if I find out our achicha, I think the last time I ate achicha is over. It should be more than 12, 13 or 14 years. Because you don't even see it in Lagos. I'm serious. But if you go to ShopRite, you will see paprika, aparamama, kapropo, apricot, paprika, papampa, ipampa, parapampa. Do you understand what I'm saying? But when you get to the malls in the diaspora, you don't even see our fruits there. Meanwhile, Nigerians are what? There. Igbo people are what? There. Is it good? That's why we are teaching you, so that uche gigadia. So that gini game uche gigadia. Say uchem gadia. So when you're growing, you know how to promote your cultural assets. Your fruit is an asset. Our fruits are cash crops, whether you like it or Okay, so are you enjoying your Igbo class? At this point, do we have any other favorites to talk about? No kwambiko ne. As in, no, you said this is the last. We have done fruits now. So mpuro sisi na masembo. Osino again. What did you come here to learn? And you should be saying it in Igbo. If you want to say, don't say another one, you say ekukwa no ozo. If you say Nwunye Mazi, we go ekukwa no ozo, I will stop. Okay,
mkpụrụ osisi na amasị m bụ oroma na
don't let it touch your mouth. Mkpụrụ osisi na amasị m bụ
mkpụrụ osisi na amasị m bụ achịcha bekee na ogiri bekee.
Mkpụrụ osisi na-amasị m bụ achịcha bekee.
Mkpụrụ osisi na-amasị m bụ mkpụrụ vine.
Mkpụrụ osisi na-amasị m bụ mkpụrụ vine.
Mkpụrụ osisi na-amasị m bụ achịcha bekee na oroma. Mkpụrụ osisi na-amasị m bụ akị bekee.
Mkpụrụ osisi na-amasị m bụ unere na apple vine. Mkpụrụ osisi na-amasị m bụ mkpụrụ vine.
Mkpụrụ osisi na-amasị m bụ achịcha bekee na oroma.
So mkpụrụ osisi na-amasị m bụ ụdara. ọ na-adị mma ka anyị na-aracha mkpụrụ osisi anyị. Akwa unufuko unu si na-ekwu mkpụrụ osisi na-amasị m bụ mkpụrụ vine. Unufu ya? You see how we don't grow vine in Nigeria. Do you know that? You see how it was exported and imported into Nigeria to the point that it is now your favorite fruit. Are you seeing this happening? To the point that you are now not even valuing your what? Your own. And these ones are very, very what? Expensive. Are you getting me? They are very expensive that you cannot afford them. And again, they have been preserved in one way or the other. But our own, you will just pluck it. They will pluck it from Imo State, put it in the vehicle and bring it to where? Lagos. Very healthy. So I want to encourage us to start enjoying our what? Our fruits. We have our own orange, but you want to lick the orange of the, foreign. Eh? They have our own orange. Our own orange is green and yellow. The foreign orange is like your clothes. Yes. So, same thing we are saying with this simple vine all of you are calling. It would be good if you can start enjoying udara. Wannu. There is one udara they call wannu. I sell it, I export it. My udara does not slap. The one I sell is so sweet. It's so sweet. You've tasted mine. Very sweet. My udara is so sweet. Wannu. Yes, during Christmas they had to buy udara from me. Okay? So udara, our soup is so healthy. Our soup is awesome, No, but it's so healthy. When you grow older, you get to appreciate it. Okay, do we have any favorites anymore? Nwunye Mazi aka. We are going to take a break now, and then I believe your lunch will be ready, after which we are now going to go into learning series with Mutasusu Igbo Ngwangwa. Learning series. It cannot be. You have 3. Don't worry. We don't worry. You will enjoy your Igbo class. We are going to be doing Mutasusu Igbo Ngwangwa verb conjugations. Very easy. I will teach you how to use this book. If you go home. If I call you on the phone, you'll be speaking Igbo to me. Jesus. Onye nwe anyị nara ekele maka ụbọchị taa. Daalụ maka ihe mmụta anyị n'aha Jesus. Amen. Now you're going to revise your self-introduction. The thing that will come last is where you live. Ebim na Lagos. That should be the last. Of everything, where you live comes last. We are having that shoot tomorrow or even this evening. So go and practice. The best person goes home with a cash prize. Yes, I'm serious. Cash prize. I'll give the person money. 5,000 naira. Chizurum, you his. Chizurum say, my children laughed at me that 5,000 naira is small. I'm a big man. Open up for $1 now. Okay, you're making some sense. Okay, continue mbozo. One when I dig anya, I got la chitakwa imuta ihe gbasara verb conjugation site n'ile banya na akwụkwọ nke ndepụtara nke a na-akpọ Mutasusu Igbo ngwa ngwa. Ngwa no ka ọ dị no o emesia.